Look how this lace is melted into my skin, y'all. Like, this looks like scalp. Last week I had braids, and this week I have 26 inches. I have 26 inches. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I have this gorgeous wig from YMY Hair. This is the first time I'm working with this company, but I'm not disappointed. I'm going to show y'all how I installed this wig, how I put her on to achieve my final results, and let you know what I think about this wig. But before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, let's jump into it. So this is what your packaging is going to look like. It's going to come in this beautiful box. I do have 26 inches. Of course, you can get whatever length you choose. You're going to get a satin bag and a few goodies. This is a 13x6 lace frontal, and it also looks like some lace does come in the back. You're going to get an elastic band if you want to wear this wig glueless. It is adjustable, and you can also take that band out if you need to. A few combs do come in this wig, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and 1 directly in the middle. This is a Skin Melt HD lace wig, and I'm going to show you exactly how that melted into my skin later in the video. This is what the curls are looking like out the pack. I didn't shampoo or condition this wig, but I'm going to show you how I style it. So let's go ahead and put this wig on. Again, this is the wig fresh out the pack. So after I cut that lace off in the back, I'm just going to go ahead and put this wig on. The knots on this wig are pre-bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. So I didn't do anything to this wig. I'm just basically going to install it because it looks pretty good. So let's jump into the install process of this wig. This is how I like to melt my wigs and secure them. Sometimes I do cut the lace off my head, but today I decided to do it on my head. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did that. I'm just going to cut the lace into different sections. It does help when you cut the lace in different sections when installing your wig. Today I'm going to go in with the Red by Kiss lace melting spray, but you can use whatever adhesive you like. I'm also going to go in with my brush blow dryer. I like it because you can take that brush off, and I use it to get the wig tacky and install my wigs. Again, we're just going to go in sections here. We don't want to rush it. I'm also pushing back the hair as I'm installing it. I'm just laying that lace right over the adhesive, and I'm combing that hair back as it's drying. This does make a difference when installing your wigs, guys. I noticed that. Take your time. Your wig will be flawless if you do it this way. So now I'm just putting a little adhesive on my skin, and then I'm going to place that lace right over it. It was a little tacky when I placed the lace over it, so that I didn't use the dryer, but now I'm going to use that blow dryer just to melt that lace into that adhesive. And again, as you see, I'm combing the hair back because this adhesive does make the hair get hard, so it does help to comb the hair back and mold it as you go. And then I'm just cutting off that extra lace and doing the same process until we go down the whole frontal and combing the hair back. I'm going to keep stressing this does make a difference with that hairline if you want your hairline to really pop. And I'm using the blow dryer to dry it, but I'm not going to dry it fully. I'm just trying to get it kind of tacky. Then I do the same exact thing to this side. I did that side off camera just for the sake of timing. Now I'm going to apply just a little bit more of adhesive on top of the lace. I wanted this wig to last a little longer. I did end up taking it off at the end of the night, but if you want your wig to really be secure, go on with some melting spray on top of your lace, underneath your lace, and it's gonna hold for days. So I went in with my melting band just for about like 5 minutes, but I didn't let it dry fully. I like to comb the hair back and mold it as I go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace in the front here. I like to go on with this eyebrow razor. It does help with like a jagged cut, and these little small scissors do make a difference too. I'll leave everything linked that I'm using under my description box under wig essentials. So now I'm just going to clean it up just a tad with some alcohol, and then I'm still going to melt this lace some more, but I'm molding the wig as I go, guys. Like, this is the key to a flawless install that I've discovered. I put a little bit more melting spray on top of it, let it dry some, and put that melting band on. And now we're gonna set the wig. So the beauty of a 13x6 lace frontal is you're gonna get a lot of parting space. You can wear it in the middle, you can wear it on the side. I did end up, I think, going in with the side part, but again, a lot of nice parting space options in here. You can style this wig, you can do whatever you like, but again, I like my side part. So now I'm just going to saturate this wig with my water bottle, and I'm just drenching the wig and combing it out. I'm detangling it as I go. This wig did not shed much at all, and I did like that, but I'm just spraying it down with a lot of water. I'm going to go in with some mousse, some serum, and a good leave-in conditioner. Today I used the Comeback Kid from Fenty because I really do like this leave-in conditioner, and it really did soften up my wig. I'm doing that because I didn't shampoo or condition this wig, so I just wanted to see how it felt. So I did that part first just to kind of soften up the wig just a little bit, but honestly this wig was really soft with the water. I didn't really need that. So now I'm just going to go in with my mousse. This is setting mousse just to kind of set the curls back into place. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of serum. I like using serum because it does bring some sheen to the wig and it just helps with like frizziness. Now also, because I didn't shampoo this wig, I'm going to go in with the scent boost because it just kind of boosts up the smell of this wig like you did shampoo and condition it. And I did that other side off camera, and this is the final results. I used all the same products, and I'm going in with that serum at the tips of the wig because, like I said, it helps with the frizziness. I did my makeup off camera and all of this was setting, and look at that hairline as the wig finally set. Like I need to be done with this video because it's just perfect. It looks so good. I was so impressed. I didn't pluck this wig. I didn't do anything to this wig. So now I'm just going to clean up that lace just a little bit, but the way this lace melted into my skin, I barely needed that Ruby Kisses cream foundation. Do y'all see the lace? I was really impressed. So now I'm just going in with a darker shade just to kind of match it just a little bit more, but it barely needed that, guys. Like, this lace really did melt into my skin like it says. So now I'm just going in with a little side swoop. When I have curly wigs, I just like a little swoop on the side. I think it looks nice. So I'm just getting that swoop together. And I do like that yellow got to be glued to get that swoop together. It's going to hold it in place all day. So I did tweeze just a little bit to make it look a little bit more natural. Apply final touches to this wig with a little bit of mousse and just add a little bit of powder to the parting space, and that's it. Okay, my beautiful friends, we are done putting on this gorgeous wig. First of all, shout out to YMY Hair. This is the first time I've worked with this company, but thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate you. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Again, this is a new human hair company to me, but do you see what she's giving? I am very impressed with this wig. So let me go ahead and give you guys some specs. So this is a deep wave, 26 inches wig. Y'all know how I feel about this wave and the inches and the length. This is a 230% density, and it's a 13x6 HD lace frontal. So I mean, there's not much to tell you guys about the wig. The wig is speaking for itself. Now, I'm gushing over this wig. This wig is so pretty. So I didn't shampoo and condition this wig. Normally I do. I like to kind of feel out my human hair wigs before I tell you guys about them, just to kind of see how they feel. But this hair is so soft, guys. Like, it feels so good. I've already had this wig on for a couple hours. I went and ran some errands, and I came back and she just fluffed out to this gorgeous beautifulness. Now, as you saw in the install process, I did apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Now, this is from Fenty Hair, but use whatever products you feel like you want to use. And I feel like that really did soften up the wig. I felt like it did give it a deep condition, and it felt really soft. I did also go in with my mousse, my water, and that's it. Like, I let this wig air dry for a few hours, and I'm just so impressed with the results. I'm getting minimal shedding from this wig, and she's just gorgeous. She feels so good. She doesn't feel ratty. She looks really natural and realistic, and she just feels amazing. This lace, look how this lace is melted into my skin, y'all. Like, this looks like scalp. I did not pluck this wig. I did not tint this lace except a little bit of my Red by Kiss cream foundation, but very minimal work was done to this lace. I forgot to tell you guys about this spray-on glosser. If you want to add like a little bit of sheen to your hair, get a spray-on glosser. This one is from Proclaim. Now, as far as the install goes, guys, I'm so impressed with the fact that I did not have to tint this lace. I did not have to do anything to this wig. As you guys saw, this was so easy. I did not pluck this wig. I didn't do anything to this wig. The knots are bleached. They're really thin and realistic. The lace matched my complexion. I did have to go in and tweak it just a little bit, but I didn't have to apply anything underneath the lace, which I really do like. It melted right in after I applied my lace melting spray, and this wig is not going anywhere. I did use this Red by Kiss today. Y'all know I use multiple ones, but today this is what I felt like using, and the wig is not going anywhere. She is snatched. Oh my goodness. This looks like my, yeah. Just take a minute to appreciate the hairline. The hairline. It looks so good. I find that when you go in and you're melting your wig and you're constantly kind of combing the hair back, it kind of molds into place and it really makes a difference. I'm also finding that sometimes when I initially pluck up my human hair wigs, I pluck it too much, so I just kind of let them do what they need to do over time. But this wig is plucked perfectly. I just added a little swoop. The cap feels good. The hair feels good. Everything feels good about this wig. It's not much else to tell y'all about this one except go get her. The packaging. I should have known this wig was going to be good when I saw the packaging, because like y'all saw that packaging. The box. I mean, when we get good packaging, we already know it's gonna be a banger. So I know it's like Christmas. I get really excited about packaging. I'm just so impressed with everything about this wig, and I highly recommend it. As far as the length goes, let me just go ahead and show y'all that and wrap this up. It is 26 inches and I don't feel like it's too long. I do have 230% density. Again, this is what it's looking like all fluffed out. And in the back, so I feel like this is a good density. You can style this wig wherever you like. Y'all know I like my side parts. And she's a winner. You can color this wig, you can bleach it, you can do whatever you want to do with this wig, because your wig is your life. So I'll leave links below for purchasing where you can get this wig. If there are coupon codes, I'll also leave them in my description box. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one, but I think she's a winner. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to you later. Bye!